If your iPhone calls ends automatically or disconnects unexpectedly, if your then simply follow these steps to fix this issue. So let's get started. First of all, simply toggle the airplane mode. Swipe down for control center from the top right corner, then tap airplane mode and wait 10 seconds, then turn it off. Now, ensure you have a strong signal, if not, move to a different location. Then restart your iPhone. Hold the power plus volume down button or just power button and slide to power off and wait 30 seconds before turning it back on. Now, after you turn it back on, remove the SIM card, clean it and reinsert it properly. After you do so, again, open the Settings app on your mobile device. Inside Settings app, simply tap on the General option available there. Inside the General, tap on the Transfer Reset iPhone. Scroll down for that. Then tap on the Reset. Then tap on the Reset Network Settings. Your iPhone will restart and reconnect to Wi-Fi and check calls again. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.